Number 11, a nurse willing to work the midnight to 8 a.m. shift may earn more than she would earn if she earned 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. because of, and this is mostly now a vocabulary question. Compensating differentials is this concept of paying people differently because they're doing a less pleasant job, or a more pleasant job for that matter. So like driving a trash truck may not be as nice as driving a bread truck, for example. And so like the trash truck job may pay better. In this case, the theory is that midnight to 8 a.m. may be a less pleasant shift, and so it is compensating differentials. Efficiency wages are paying more than you need to actually pay someone. Compensating differential, on the other hand, is you actually need to pay someone more to do the less pleasant job. Differences of human capital is the amount of skill someone has in a job, or like how much background. Like you might pay a teacher who's taught for 10 years more than you pay a first-year teacher, for example, because theoretically the 10-year teacher has more knowledge. That's the difference of human capital, but none of this is about that. The other two answers are not. There's nothing here to indicate discrimination, nor to say that there is a market power advantage that the nurse, like the employee, has or the employer has.